Making $12,000 on Pinterest while I've been slacking is crazy to me. Like, this just opened a whole new drive of motivation for me, because as an entrepreneur, I have seen 3 to 5K months just from Pinterest alone. I have been talking to you guys about Pinterest since I started using it back in 2021 to make money. Did a whole webinar in 2022, created a whole course for it in 2022. And the fact that I've been slacking, which y'all know I have had a lot on my plate, because you guys know I do have 10 vending machine locations. So like for the past last year-ish, 2 years, I have been focused on my vending machine journey. So I have not been given my full potential when it comes to Pinterest. But opening up my analytics and seeing the fact that I made $12,000, I was just like, oh my God, like now I'm about to go back to my old days. Now I'm about to go to the $3,000 to $5,000 months. And if you want to know how I did that, stay tuned for this video. But before we get into it, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rika. I'm a pink lover and I am a serial entrepreneur that helps people start businesses. I've been in business for the past 5 years, okay? So I help people start businesses. I help people grow businesses. I also have 10 vending machines. So if you are looking for another stream of income, if you are an entrepreneur and need help with your business, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on those notification bells. I upload entrepreneur videos for other entrepreneurs like myself, and they are 100% free. And if you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Everybody hit the like button. So I have my notes pulled up here so I don't forget, because I want to make sure that I tell you guys everything. So as I was saying earlier in this video, Pinterest is an app that people usually use for inspiration, for like office decor, party decor, living room decor. But not only do people use it for inspiration, you can also not only use it to make money with your business, you can also use it to make free money. I consider affiliate marketing free money because it's literally free money. It's literally passive income. So what I mean by using affiliate marketing to make money on Pinterest is, for example, I have this tumbler right here, right? It's a cute little pink tumbler. I can take cute little photos of it and use my affiliate link from the company or a company that sells it. Even if I didn't necessarily get this product from Amazon, for example, if I can find this exact link on Amazon, I can take cute little pictures, get my affiliate link, put it on Pinterest with the picture, and somebody will shop, use that link, and I get a commission. I'm getting free money from somebody purchasing something through my link. I can make that money in my sleep. I can make that money during the day. I can make that money when I'm at work, when I'm at school. That to me is free money. Having your post go up on Pinterest and it does what it does, and you're seeing this revenue come in, that is free money. That is passive income. But that's not what we're going to get into in this video. If you guys do want me to do more videos on how to use affiliate marketing on Pinterest to maximize your free money, comment Pinterest affiliate in the comment section. In this video, we're not going to get into affiliate because I wanted to focus on talking about how I use it for my business and how I'm able to bring in thousands of dollars a month just from Pinterest alone. I am someone who started my business. When I started my business in 2019, I didn't even use Pinterest. I used Pinterest as a form of inspo, but I never used it to promote my business. I did not get on Pinterest until the end of 2021. And one thing that I will say when it comes to Pinterest is you have to keep posting. You have to keep posting because it is like, I always say it's like a trust the process type of app. It's not like Instagram or TikTok where you can post something and boom, if it doesn't go viral, it will never go viral, because that's usually how Instagram is. With TikTok, you may go viral like a week after, but when it comes to Pinterest, I have posts on Pinterest doing numbers from 3 years ago when I had my pink Challenger. Like, you can have posts going viral to this day and you are able to make money off of it, business or affiliate. But one thing that I will say is Pinterest is not one of those apps, because a lot of entrepreneurs, they're like, I'm not getting no sales with my business. I'm posting every single day. With Pinterest, it is not just about what you are posting, because like I said, people go to this app for inspiration. If you're someone that sells cosmetics, then you need to have you have to think of a concept that's going to make people want to click to go on your website and shop. Maybe have makeup looks with your lashes, makeup looks with your lip products. If you are someone that sells skincare, maybe do some demonstration videos, maybe do some spa videos, things like that, that's going to make somebody want to click. You have to definitely put in more of an effort when it comes to Pinterest. But at the end of the day, I personally feel like you see better results and you don't have to put in as much work. As far as when it comes to going live and stuff, when it comes to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all of these different platforms, you kind of want to go live because you're kind of building a community when it comes to Instagram and TikTok and YouTube. Like with YouTube, I'm here building a community. I'm here helping other entrepreneurs like myself. That is my community. I am here to help those that want to start a business or have a business that need help. When it comes to Pinterest, people don't necessarily follow you. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys real receipts, y'all. Okay, this is just one of my Pinterest accounts. The fact that I have almost 1 million impressions is crazy. The fact that this is real receipts, you guys, not no screenshot. The fact that I've had 830K impressions, and this is from the last 30 days, you guys. The last 30 days, my content has been on almost 1 million people's phone screens. Mind you, I didn't have to go live. Mind you, I don't have to sit here and post every day on Pinterest. You can literally schedule your post. So if you are someone like myself that's a serial entrepreneur, that not only do you have a business and you promote your business on Pinterest and you get into the affiliate side of it as well, just imagine how many people you are reaching, scheduling posts on your free time. I literally schedule all my posts on my free time. I schedule all my posts on my free time. But as I was saying, it's not just about what you post. You guys also want to make sure that if you are using Pinterest, that you do use keywords. You want to use searchable words, because Pinterest is basically like a Google. And when you search on Google, if you ever notice, like say for example, I'm searching up a pink tumbler. When you go on Google Images, for example, have you guys ever noticed that when you go on the picture, that sometimes it'll take you to the website, it'll take you to Pinterest, it will show you Pinterest images on Google Images? You can people are searching on Google and your stuff will come up from Pinterest. Okay, you guys? So I want to make everybody that's watching this video, if you are not using Pinterest by now, if you are not getting into Pinterest, you are missing out for real. Like people, I say this in every video, but people come across my page every day saying how they want to make money, and I've constantly, in every video, I'm putting you guys onto the ways. Just say you don't want to make money. These apps are 100% free. Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, these apps aren't costing us a thing. You can build a business through social media. I'm someone that's an example of a social media business. I started my business in my house, in a corner of my room in my parents' house, and I've been able to hit over 28K orders. If I could do it, you could do it. And with this app, it's not like you have to get up. Like you can literally schedule your post, you guys. You can literally schedule your post. And I did Google, because I usually post on Pinterest 3 times a day, sometimes 2 to 3 times, because it can be a lot. You got to get a lot of content. But on Google, it says to post 10 to 15 times a day. So just imagine if I maximize the amount of times I posted, the amount of results I would be seeing. So I really don't want you guys to sleep on Pinterest. If you are a business owner watching this right now and you have not been using Pinterest, definitely get on Pinterest. If you guys do want me to do a video on using Pinterest for affiliate marketing, make sure you comment Pinterest affiliate so I can make sure to get into that video next, so we can get straight into it, you guys. 2025 is around the corner. Multiple streams of income is a must. It is literally a must. And if you are watching this right now and you like, hold up, I don't even know how to use Pinterest, you are in luck, because as I said earlier in this video, I did a whole webinar on this almost 2 years ago, and I have a whole course on my website, and I updated it last year. So not only do you have written information, you also have 2 videos to watch. I show you how to navigate the app. Pinterest was so hard for me to navigate at the very beginning, and that's one of the reasons why I also was not consistent or never really used the platform, because when I started my business, I basically had to learn how to use social media, because I never used social media as a person in general. So I literally had to teach myself how to use all of these platforms. So you're not alone if you're not social media, tech savvy, but I do have, it's a video demonstration. I show you exactly how to navigate the app. I show you how to use it. I show you how to title, how to tag, everything that you can do to maximize, and clearly y'all see that it's working for me because these are my real receipts. Guys, I went ahead and changed my analytics to the last 90 days. Okay, let's refresh so you guys see that this is real receipts, and I have 1.5 million impressions from the last 90 days. So clearly what I'm doing is working. And as I'm recording this video, I'm also speaking to myself, you guys. I'm not playing with Pinterest when it comes to 2025. Not even in 2025. I've been not playing with it. I've been not playing. From when I did my streams of income for you guys and I was telling you guys about how I use it for affiliate, I definitely have been slacking when it came to using Pinterest for my online business. But that's mainly because also this year has been a lot because I'm moving, waiting for my house to be finished. Like this year was definitely a lot. Vending machines, I literally took like my last 3 vending machines to its locations this year. So this year overall has been a lot, and I'm sure other people, you guys might have had a crazy year as well. But we're starting now. When I speak to you guys, I'm also speaking to myself. We are starting now. We're not waiting until 2025. I myself am telling myself that I'm going to take Pinterest seriously, not just when it comes to my business, but when it comes to affiliate marketing. I'm going to take all of my streams of income seriously. So there's literally no excuse as to why you can say that you have not been using Pinterest. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, people, everybody that has my Pinterest course that have used it, that put in that work, have seen results. And if you are grabbing my Pinterest course and taking it seriously, please remember that you also have to do the work. A lot of times people buy things just to buy it. Please follow all of the steps. Please put in the work because I'm telling you, there is money to be made on Pinterest. I've done so many videos since I found out about Pinterest and I've been putting y'all on. I've made up to $5,000 a month on Pinterest, and they notify you every week how much you make. So that was another thing that really motivated me even more and wanted me to tell you guys about it in this video, because I'm like, wow, I forgot that I used to be so excited to see how much revenue Pinterest was bringing my business. But as I said, I'm not going to beat myself up about it because I know I've had a crazy year this year, but I haven't even been paying attention to see that Pinterest is a whole nother stream that has brought my business thousands of dollars. And if you think about it, if you're using Pinterest, if you're using Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, all of these platforms can be bringing you a revenue every month for just your business alone. Then you get into the affiliate marketing. Then you get into working with brands, getting paid to post videos. There is money to be made out here, okay? There's definitely money to be made out here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it motivated you. It inspired you to hop on Pinterest. If you have not been using Pinterest, get to it. If you guys want me to do the affiliate video, comment that in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. And I will link the course in the description box and pin it, so those of you guys that don't know how to use Pinterest, y'all can go ahead and watch it. Y'all could probably get it done today, so that way you can start working as soon as possible. And I need all of y'all to report back and let me know I followed what you said and I've seen results. Okay, thank y'all for watching.